Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in West Sussex in the UK. I had some card classes this week and I promised the ladies that I would make a quick video of how to make a bow from designer series paper. Here are some that I made during my classes or for my classes. Using up DSP from my stash, so that's always very satisfying. And then today I suddenly realized that it would be really lovely to try and make a bow using some of our In Color Shimmer Vellum. So these strips are each 3/4 of an inch wide. I've got 3 at 11 inches, 3 at 10 inches, 2 at 9 inches, and then I've got one little strip here which is 4.5. And I'm going to add some double-sided tape, now this to both sides of each of the long strips. So I learned how to make a smaller version, a different version, in a class that I attended run by Emma Goddard, Coastal Crafter, but I'm going to try this one which is slightly different dimensions and it's got an extra layer. So I'm going to start there, put together all the same, and I'm going to take the top bit, if I can do it. I'm going to take the top bit off. And let's put those off to one side so you can see what I'm doing. I'm holding that like that and I'm twisting, and then I'm bringing it over and I'm twisting, and it is gluing there. And I want to have that in sort of in the middle, so we'll take the bottom off, try and tidy it as I go along. A little origami pot which we also made that I learnt at a demo event the other week. So I'm gonna, you've got a figure of 8, and then I'm going to cross that over, try and make it in the middle, try and make them look sort of similar, and then stick that down. Repeat that for each of them. Pull it over, fold it up and twist. This shimmer paper is just so gorgeous. So again, I'm gonna try and get those loops looking the same, and I'm gonna stick that together. So let's try it again. Fold it over and then twist it. Fold it away from you and twist it. Once you get the hang of this, well, once I got the hang of this, I really enjoyed doing it. But it's, I guess it's just getting your head around it. So again, sort of in the middle, trying to make them in sort of same, but different. There we go, there's 3. Anyway, I'm going to leave that bit for the time being, and then what we want to do is we need to stack the 3 and then the 2. So I am going to, I've got some more tape, and I'm going to run the tape, put a bit of tape on each of these pairs, each of these lovely things. And we'll see if we can get this together nicely. I'm not sure whether we can or not, but we'll give it a go. Right, let's start with the big one first. That's got nothing on it, so we'll have that one at the bottom. I'm hoping I haven't flattened these out too much. I really do struggle with things not being symmetrical. Who's with me? Or are you just happy to go with the flow? And you can see I'm just fitting those. I'm kind of fitting them in between, in the spaces. Nope. One large one. And you could staple these together, but I don't want to do that. And then as it gets smaller, you are just again staggering. I'm sort of staggering these. Wondering whether I should have. You could do with an extra one there, I think. An extra one. No. Actually, I might do 2 at 8. Let's see. This is so pretty. Sorry girls, I'm changing it up again. But with me, I think you're probably used to that by now. I didn't trim them down, did I? So I want them at 8. So probably like that. Would have been easier if I'd have stuck the 2 bits on. I have to redo this video. Right. Very strange to have neighbours, noisy neighbours, living next door. There we go. We had the same neighbour, David, for a long, long time, and he was lovely. He probably thought we were the noisy neighbours. That's better. And then we want a bit there. a bit there. So this one has got lots of layers, but I think it's going to be worth it. One in there. One in there, and then we will get a couple more bits. I'm not sure what size this is. This is 3 inches. Let's see. I think actually that is going to be perfect. I did notice in my last video that my hair, which is rather long, kept appearing in my video. Really do need to get it cut. New Year's resolution. So we just form a loop of the last bit, and that goes in the middle there. So what do you think? You can see that's a smaller one, so that's got 3 at 8 inches, 3 at 7 inches, 2 at 6 inches, and 1 at 3 inches in the middle there. So you can just play around with the sizing. I'm just wondering whether that needs to be, look, and pull that up and pop that there. There we go. There we go. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for subscribing, and I will be back again next Sunday. Bye for now.